Hello viewers, in this tutorial we will see how to use the Loom Chrome extension for recordings. From the Loom home screen, you will see the Get Loom for Free option, along with the Install Chrome Extension button. Click on the Chrome Extension button and it will take you to the Chrome Web Store, where you will find the Loom Screen Recorder extension. Now click on Add to Chrome and a pop-up will appear. Click on Add Extension and the download and installation process will begin. Once the installation is complete, you will be redirected to the login page. If you already have a Loom account, just sign in. If you're a new user, you can create an account with your email address or sign up with your Google account. For this demonstration, we'll continue with a Google account. Once your account is created, Loom will ask you to enter your workspace name. Enter the name and then click on the Continue button. Next, Loom will ask you a few questions about how you plan to use the platform. Just choose the option that best matches your needs and click on Continue to move to the next step. On the next page, you'll see options like Record a Loom or Discover what you can capture. Here, you can select an option, but I will click on Set it up for AI-powered meeting recaps. Here, you will be asked to connect your Google Calendar or Outlook calendar to manage your schedule, upcoming meetings, or any presentations you have planned. I will skip this part and move to the next page. Here, a pop-up will appear on the screen asking you to upgrade so you can access the advanced AI features provided by Loom. Click on Upgrade Now, and it will take you to a new page where you will see different plans based on how many people are going to use Loom. For example, I will select one user. You can see 3 different plans. The first plan is the free plan, while the second and third plans are paid. The third plan provides advanced features. You can select the plan that best suits your needs. Once the subscription is completed, you'll be redirected to your account dashboard where you'll see your workspace interface. Now to record a video with Loom, let's open the extensions menu from the top, and here find and click on the Loom extension. Once I select it, you can see the Loom options appear on the screen. You will find a menu at the top of the screen with several features. You can also see the camera circle at the bottom, which allows you to capture your screen while recording yourself and explaining the content. For this example, I will turn off the face cam. Next, you can select the microphone you want to use. After that, you can choose exactly what you want to capture. You can select any of the available options according to your requirements. You can also open the camera tab, where you can take screenshots of a specific area or the full tab if needed. Once everything is set, click on Start Recording. A new tab will open on the screen, asking you to choose what you want to share. You can select any of the available options. I will select the entire screen. Also, make sure to enable the System Audio Recording option and then click on Share. The recording will start after a 3-second countdown. Once the recording starts, you will see the recording controls on the side of the screen. If you want to pause the recording, simply click on Pause, and the recording will stop temporarily. If you want to start a new recording, you can click on the Restart icon. Next, you will find the Bin icon, which allows you to cancel the recording. You can also rewind or trim a part of the recording. If you want to blur any content, you can do so from here. You can also choose which camera you want to use, such as your laptop camera, or you can connect another device to record yourself. Once the recording is complete, click on the Finish button and the recording will be processed. There you go. You can see that you have been automatically redirected to the video page. Now, if you want to enhance your recording, you can enable the Remove Silences option, which will remove silent portions from your video. You can also add stylized captions to your video. If you want to make further changes, click on Edit and Enhance Video, and it will take you to the video editor. Here, you can see the video timeline. Simply move the timeline pointer to the point where you want to remove a section and click on Split. Then move the pointer to the second point and click on Split again. Select it from the timeline and click on Delete Selection. The selected part will be removed from the video. You can also access the other options from the side menu that we discussed earlier. If you want to hide the transcript, you can simply do that from here. Once everything is complete, click on Finish at the top, and your video will be saved with all the changes applied. Now, the next step is to share your video. Click on the Share button, and a new pop-up will appear on the screen. Here, you can enter an email address or workspace name and choose the access permissions you want to allow. Select the appropriate access according to your needs. Once everything is set, click on Copy Link, and the video link will be copied so you can share it with your friends or anyone else. You can also set a password if you want to protect your video. Next to the Share button, click on the 3 dots. Here, you'll find several options, including Move, Add to Playlist, Duplicate, Archive, and Download Video. The video download option is only available during the free trial. Once the trial ends, you'll need to upgrade to a premium plan. Click Download Video, and a pop-up will appear with two options: Copy Link and Download Video. Click Download Video, and your video will be downloaded within a few moments. And that's it.